Hello everyone, today we will be embarking on an exclusive tour of Liangze and Ivan's new house on the 8th story. Alright, so let's head there. So this is the gate to their fortress, 8193, and it has a great view of the kingdom, a huge forest with a tower in the background. Alright, let's enter. Dun, 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 dun. Boom! The gate is open. And voila! Welcome home. Good morning, everybody. So let's just close the gate behind us. And we are ready for the tour. So this is the main living room. As you can see, it's the living space. We have an island kitchen. The main kitchen's over here. And the rooms are toward the right. So first, let's get some fan action going on. This fan takes a while to wake up, so let's turn it on. Then it starts to move. That's okay, it's still early in the morning. Over here, we can see outside. So there's a little playground there where the kids are. And you can see the neighboring buildings. Very nice. We have a nice bench over here under construction. And we can see the rest of the room from here. Alright. So let's go over this place. Here is the washing area. That's where the washing machine will be. This is where you can hang your clothing to dry. And a wonderful kitchen top with organic stone tiling. This looks like a gas stove, and it looks like it's not hooked up just yet. Alright. Okay, so now let's take a look at the rest of the room. Here we have the oven. And we will also have an interesting oddity of this room, which is this power outlet, which is an American power outlet compared to the Singapore power outlet. To make this work, we have a transformer inside, and let's see if the contractor has put it together correctly. So let's check it out. We have the transformer over here. It takes in power from 240 volts. And we have this cable that goes to the power outlet. And what do we have here? Oh, look at that. Look at that. It's a rookie mistake. The contractor has plugged into the wrong power outlet. So let's fix that. So there we go. Now it's the right voltage. Okay, now that we have fixed that, let's check out this place. What do we have here? This is a future Zen garden, which will be filled with rocks and stones, sand and moss. This is the fridge, and the washing machine, a table, and whoa, what do we have here? Ceiling lamps, and a very interesting and cute small fan. Let's see how that works. So for this, whoa, Let there be light. And over here, we have a small, interesting and cute fan. Wow, that's actually quite powerful for how small it is. Wonderful. Alright. Over here, we have a bomb shelter in case of emergencies. Although right now, your only emergency supplies are paint and low suds washing detergent to keep yourself clean during the emergency. Now, we enter the room of shelves. In this room, we have another great view of the outside and we have an interesting looking lamp. Currently, the pendant lamp height should be 1.5 meters. And the highlight of the room, the shelves, which look like tea terraces. Alright. Next, we enter the second half of the kingdom. And here, you think this is the toilet, but this is not. It is actually just a bathroom. Just for a shower. We have a nice rain shower. We have a bathtub. But lo and behold, there is no toilet. So this is not the toilet. Instead, this is the toilet room. As you can see, there's a toilet proudly sitting in the middle of the room with another great view of the outside. Perfect for enjoying the view while you're in the bathroom. We also have some mattresses for comfort and another fan for ventilation, I suppose. But there are actually two toilets in this kingdom. So this is the second one. We have an interesting mirror. And we have interesting mirror number 2. Not bad. Alright. And that basically concludes our tour. Thank you and have a nice day.